In this video tutorial, there's the last tutorial, and let's quickly find out how to use the school email system, which is Outlook. We're quickly going to go into the Office 365 website, and when you log in, you should be able to see that the tab is right on the very front, on the very left-hand side, Outlook. Here. Simply click on that. And what you need to do is, if you want to send a message to a teacher, for example, myself, simply click on New Message. And suppose you want to send an email to me. So my email would be .rizvi@rugby3secondary. What you do is you simply just type in like the first name of the teacher or the last name of the teacher, and the email should automatically appear. So for example, in this case, when you click on New, just type in the name or even the first few letters of the name of your teacher that you know of, and the email should appear all of a sudden. Okay, if you want to send email to multiple staff members, including Ms. Mazarari as well, you can simply type in her name as well, and you should be able to see it like that. So you can send staff emails like this. You can write down your message in here. Make sure you click the send button. To receive an email, what you do is click on Inbox. And when you click on Inbox, you should be able to see all the emails that have been sent to you. So that's it pretty much. In case of you needing any help or you're stuck on something, you can always email either myself or Ms. Mazarari with any ICT related questions, such as like Office 365. For all other concerns, obviously you need to use the contact list that's been provided to you on through parent letters. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, guys. Goodbye.